Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. In this video, we're going to talk about the CPI data that got released today and its impact on the overall market and Nvidia stock prices. And also we're going to talk about can Nvidia touch 1000 this week. Starting with the CPI data, you see in this table 3.2% actual versus year over year forecast 3.1%, so a little higher than the forecast. Core CPI actual 3.8% versus forecast 3.7%. The core CPI does not include variable food items and fuel prices. So in both cases, you see the actual came a little higher than the forecast. The good thing is it didn't come too much higher than the forecast. Okay, last few months we see that same trend. It comes higher than the forecast, a little higher than the forecast. Overall trend, you see this graph trending down. Last few months is flat. The good thing is it's not going up. So I'm guessing by the end of this year, early next year, we might achieve 2% target of CPI. The core CPI, same story, trending down. Last few months is flat. The good thing is not going up. Okay, now let's take a look overall market. The overall market went positive. Dow Jones 0.6%, Nasdaq 1.54%, S&P 1.12%. So this means that market did not take this CPI hotter than expected data as a bad sign. Like I mentioned in my previous video, if CPI data comes more than 20% than the forecast, then the market would react very crazy. But at this time, it did not come that much higher than the forecast. Now let's talk about Nvidia. Starting with the 10-day 30-minute chart, right now Nvidia RSI 76, it says that little overbought, but not too much. Nvidia closed at 917 probably, and after hours continue to go up. So this tells that just before the close, Nvidia got some momentum, and it's continued to gain that momentum. So that's a good sign for rest of the week. I'm hoping the rest of the week should continue to go up. Now let's take a look 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, same story. See that RSI is going up and it got some momentum just before the close. See here, it's a good sign for those who bought Nvidia shares. Now let's take a look at MACD. So this is the MACD chart. See at the bottom. So MACD line is starting to go up from today, and that's a very good sign for those who buy the Nvidia shares. This says that MACD is starting to get momentum from today. It was not the case yesterday. See that? Yesterday was going down. Now draw some Fibonacci levels and see what are the different support levels. I have drawn some Fibonacci levels starting from 0% to 100%. The lowest is 667 and the highest is 957. You see that the next level of support is 888 and after that is 846 and then 812. So if Nvidia drops, then 888 would be a good buy point. I'm not sure Nvidia can go down to this level tomorrow because it started to get some momentum to go up. Good thing is I bought the shares just before the market closed because I saw that Nvidia started to get some momentum and saw the MACD chart and the RSI also. Now let's take a look at the other AI stock and see what they did today. AMD 2.2% up today, not that high. SMCI 7.66% today, that's good. It's close to Nvidia, 7%. Nvidia went up today. So see that after hours, it closed at 919 and after hours 926. This also tells that Nvidia got some momentum. Okay, so good news for tomorrow. I also have some Amazon shares. I'm in positive. I got Vago as well last week, but that was not a good buy for me. So it's continued to go down. So if I summarize for today, Nvidia started to get some momentum. So it should continue to go up rest of the week. Whether it touches 1000 or not, I'm not sure, but it should at least go above 950 this week. Okay. So if it doesn't touch 1000 this week, most probably it will touch 1000 next week because you see that AI conference going to happen early next week that can boost Nvidia shares. At this point, if Nvidia drops, it will drop a little bit just for correction. I won't see that Nvidia will drop too much from here. Okay, like 100 point or 200 point. Not gonna happen. Okay, so that's my perception. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.